Hello?
Hello?
Hi, James.
Yes.
Laki ng boses, ah.
Hindi ah.
Siguro ang laki ng ano mo. Ang pagkatao, alam mo yun eh.
Yeah, I know.
Ano ba yan? Ang baboy na kiniisip mo. Good evening, James.
Good evening.
First time to call the show?
Actually, this is my second time. But
I kind of remember you. Anything the last time nag-away tayo?
no. Hindi.
No?
No.
Baka wire freak lang talaga ako. Ay, I'm sure, alam mo yung kinakanta ko kanina.
Ano yun?
Someday, when I'm off low. Siyempre, 43 ka na, alam naman di mo alam yan.
Yeah.
Edad lang yan. When the world is cold.
I will feel the glow.
Yan, sige. Bagay sa boses mo.
Just thinking of you. Okay.
Yes, you're lovely. Where your smile's so warm. And your one so soft. There isn't but to love you.
Just
and the way you look
tonight.
Ganda yun, na.
Yeah.
How are you tonight?
Michael Bublé.
Frank Sinatra, originally.
Yeah.
How are you tonight?
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah. A sort of, medyo mahirap na umasa.
Talaga? Bakit? Ano meron?
Ano ba? Paano ko ba explain? I have this, acquaintance. We used to go out.
Pag sinabi acquaintance, ano ibig sabihin na acquaintance na yan?
Hindi naman masyado acquaintance, pero we know each other na talaga, pero we used to go out and we used to have fun,
ano yan? Basta na.
Have fun. In the restaurant, in the bars, mga gano'n. Pero,
okay, you know this person from way back?
Yeah.
Alright. Ano ang relasyon niyo dati?
Wala, friends.
Friends. Babae, lalaki, pinag-usapan natin?
Male. He.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then all of a sudden, parang mag-text ako o nagko-call ako. Hindi na niya sinasagot.
Baka nakaramdam.
I don't know. I know he knows also.
He knows what?
He knows kasi sometimes malambing, maglalambingan.
Maglalambingan?
Maglalambingan kami. Ganun. Parang MU ba?
So naging kayo?
No. Hindi.
So naputol ang communication for quite a while?
Ano ba?
Gano'ng katagal naputol ang communication?
Siguro mga few weeks lang.
A few weeks lang? And then you started calling him, ayaw nang sagutin? Ano problema natin? Wala na.
And nagte-text tapos, I don't know, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko talaga alam.
Well, wala kang magagawa. Di ba? You call a person, ayaw sagutin.
I'm not expecting naman tukuan. Pero yung gusto ko lang, yung mag-reply lang siya kung busy siya o...
prerogative yan.
Yeah, I know.
Buti ba sinagot namin tawag mo, ano? Kasi kung hindi lang sinagot, baka tawagan mo ibang estasyon. Grabe si Papa Jack. We were acquainted. And I've been calling him. He's not picking the phone up.
Hindi naman gano'n. Depende naman kasi siyempre, you used to talk to each other, then you used to text each other, and just suddenly wala, hindi sumasagot. Ganon. So, hindi ko alam ang reason. So, hindi naman siya busy, hindi naman siya ganon. So, I just, binibigyan ko lang siya ng space. Siguro, kailangan lang niya ng space. Ako naman, I'm not expecting anything talaga.
That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong.
What's wrong?
That's wrong to even assume na kailangan niya ng space. Kasi
So, what am I to do?
For all you know, baka hindi niya kailangan ng space. Baka ayaw kanya talaga kausap. Ano ka ba?
Talaga? So, wala namang reason na
Hindi niya kailangan ipaliwanag sa'yo kung bakit ayaw kanyang kausap.
Talaga? Ganun ba yun?
Oo, kwan. Kung bakit?
Okay.
Jowa mo ba siya?
No.
Pala eh.
Oo nga. Pero, all of the sudden na lang, ganun.
Well, that's his call. That's completely his call.
I know. No. Yeah. That is why, sabi ko, ayoko na umasa. Ayokong umasa. Mga ganon.
So, in love ka sa kanya?
Sort of.
Plastic nito. Sort of, mukha mo.
Yeah, I'm in love. Okay.
Yan.
No problem.
Sort of ka dyan.
Ikaw talaga, Papa.
Diba?
Ayan lang.
Honestly, James, you don't have any problem.
What?
You don't have any problem.
With?
Wala kang problema.
Yeah, wala akong problema.
Hindi mo jowa, di ba? You tried. Di ba, na-reciprocate naman niya yung dati na gusto na you wanted to have fun with him. Na-reciprocate naman niya. Di ba? Until such time, maybe he realized na it's no more fun being with James. So he's calling me, ako sagutin. Or maybe he's with someone else. Di ba? Maybe committed na. I don't know.
I think so kasi
diba, because,
he's really committed.
But that's the point. Wala ka palang problema. The more na dapat maintindihan mo ka, ba't hindi niya sila tawag?
Yeah. Oo. Siguro. Pero sana naman sabihin niya sa akin.
Hindi niya kailangan, ano ba? Tignan sa mukha mo. he did not have to explain to you why he doesn't want to talk to you.
Yeah.
That's his prerogative. Wala kang ano.
Yeah. Anyway, sa ganitong relationship, talagang talo. Diba?
Hindi yun. Huwag mong itag na sa ganitong relationship, diba? I mean, you took the risk of possibly falling in love diba? With someone alam mo committed.
Yeah.
Maybe along the way, he realized. Tama ba? Maybe along the way, he realized na, ay, teka lang. Mali pala ito. So, you have to respect that.
Yes.
Right? Wala kang problema. Let's not create any problem tonight because you don't have any.
Yes.
You do not have any problem, you have a predicament. Tama ba?
Yeah.
Halika, mag-inom na lang tayo, brother. Halika.
Sure.
Bawal ma-fall, ha?
Sure, I really need someone.
You po. Yung pagkasure yung
but not any.
Yung pagkakasure mo para mali siya. Ayoko na, ikaw na lang pala.
Not what you think.
O di wag.
Di wag.
Ay naman.
Mahirap talaga pagtamaan ka eh. No? So, hirap. Especially in this case. Mahirap talaga.
Kung nakikinig siya ngayon, what's your message for him?
Maybe you realize that this relationship or yung kung ano man yung nafe-feel mo sa akin o nafe-feel ko sa iyo, not really the right relationship that we will gonna be doing. But I hope I wish you happiness. I wish you good luck. At sana naman pag nagkita tayo, ganun pa rin, friends pa rin. Ganun.
Friends with?
Wala.
Without animosity?
Yeah.
Ano bang iniisip mo? Bobby, yak! Pwede naman yun naman. Can you be friends with animosity?
ikaw talaga, Papa Jack. Parang may mga double meaning ka sa mga ko.
Na hindi, malaswala utak mo. Wag ako.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Diba? Alam mo, nagsisak ka kagad. Ano lang ba sabi ko? Can we be friends without any animosity? Yun lang yun eh.
Yeah.
Ay!
Ayun. Yun. Hello?
Yun lang?
Still there?
I'm still here. I have no choice. It's my job. I will have to be here even after midnight. So.
Yeah.
Anyways, thank you for calling the show.
Thanks for that.
Have a good one, James.
Huh?
Have a good one.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Si James, mga kaibigan ng... taga saan siya? Santa Mesa.